Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching ports and cables. Identify HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI or VGA, and any adapters you need. Plug each monitor into power, then into the GPU or laptop outputs. Once done, power them on so your system detects new displays. Make sure resolutions are within the same range to avoid scaling problems, and orient stands roughly to your sightline. Measure desk depth, and leave about 60 degrees comfortable viewing. This gets you into the first actionable configuration step quickly. You now arrange and configure the displays in your operating system, drag the screen icons to match physical layout, then set which monitor is primary. Once arranged, set each monitor's resolution and scale % so text and UI sizes align, and choose the highest safe refresh rate. Make sure orientation is correct, landscape versus portrait, then adjust color profiles for consistency. Finally, move your taskbar, or dock. Place frequently used apps on the primary screen to streamline daily work. You finish by optimizing how you work across both screens, set up window snapping and keyboard shortcuts, and organize apps by purpose so context switching is minimal. Calibrate color and alignment to reduce eye strain, and secure cables to prevent accidental disconnects. If something goes wrong, power cycle monitors and PC first, then try a different cable or port. Swap monitors to isolate the faulty unit, and finally reinstall or update GPU drivers and monitor firmware. That single trouble.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.